Once there was a man who lived in a village. He faced many problems which made him quite sad. One day he asked a wise man what to do. The wise man told him to take care of his 50 camels for a night. When all the camels are sleeping, you could sleep too. The man agreed and started the night trying to get all the camels to sleep. The next morning the wise man asked if he was able to sleep. The man, quite sad, answered that he couldn't sleep for a moment. Some camels did sleep, others didn't. Some did sit down, others walked around despite his efforts. The wise man smiled and said, "If I am not wrong, then what happened all night was that many camels sat down on their own. Many camels sat because of your effort. Others didn't even sit even after trying to make them sit. And then you found that some of them set themselves with the passage of time." The man replied, "Yes, that's exactly what happened." The wise man then said, "Problems in life are like that. Some of them will solve on their own. Some will be solved with your efforts, and some will not be solved even with efforts. So leave these kinds of problems on time. Solve the problems or leave the problem, but do not live with the problem."